I am very excited. Finger crossed. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the Escape Plans. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying our video. By the time you will watch this video, we will be in India. So, it's been 1.5 years since we moved to Luxembourg, and it's been more than 1 year since we visited our family. We have never been apart for this long. We are not only visiting India, but also we will be traveling with our family to other places as well. We will be covering all the information for you, but this vlog will particularly have information about the travel, the latest travel guideline, because we are traveling now. We had covered the information like 1.5 years back, and this time we are updating the information for you all. Last time we had traveled from Frankfurt. This time we are traveling via Munich, and we are a little bit worried as well because we just have 1 hour layover. In fact, while when we were doing the check-in at that time, that guy also told us that you have to be quick because you have very short layover, hoping that we don't miss the flight and too much hustle will happen. So let's see what happens. We are excited to meet our family, but at the same time little bit worried about the layover time we have. So let's go. Now I will see you in Munich.
Come on, groove along. Say it,
The
baby.
difficult part is done. We have done our immigration. Yes, even if you are an Indian citizen, you have to go through with immigration. It did not take much time because we have Indian passport. Of course, we are traveling to our home country. And in case you are getting late, you can always request. I will give you more information once we reach Delhi because we are in rush. And by the way, there was no security check again. It happened only there in Luxembourg. Once we reached here, we just had to go through with the immigration, and then we reached here direct to the gate. So even if you have 1 hour's layover, you will have enough time. Just don't waste it. Let's go.
Sweet honey, let's take it real soon. You know we got what you need, baby. So take it, move along. I said we got what you need, honey. Come and groove along. Come on. Rolling on that highway, you know. Wow. Come on, and groove along.
We are approaching Delhi. Finally, we will land in like 20 minutes, and I will give you all the information at the airport.
Oh, honey, come and groove along.
Finally. Okay, so finally we are in Delhi. Before getting into what we have planned ahead, I'm going to tell you exactly what all happened, how this journey was, and what all things you need to take care of. So, number one, we boarded our flight from Luxembourg. Our security check was done there. Our luggage was taken from us there only, and that was transferred from Luxembourg to Delhi directly. We didn't had to do anything. Secondly, once we reached Munich, as I told that we just have 1 hour layover, so we were little worried that how we are going to catch flight. But 1 hour is sufficient. The only thing you need to take care of, you don't have to stop in between. You don't have to visit shops until you are done with your immigration. Okay, so even if you are Indian passport holder, you will have to go through with the immigration if you are boarding your flight from Frankfurt or Munich. Our security check was done at the Luxembourg airport. It was the final one. we didn't have to go through with the security check again at Munich airport. So that is why it was smooth, and we were able to catch our flight in 1 hour. In fact, we also had some time. Also, don't get confused because Munich airport is quite big and you need to take metro, which they run inside it. Now, next thing, which was a plus point for us. So we boarded our flight on Monday. So it was not weekend. That is why that was an advantage to us, because there was no rush at the airport. When we were doing our security check, even at the immigration counter, there were only 4 to 5 people. In fact, since I told that I was worried about how I'm going to catch my next flight, I requested the passenger who was standing there in the queue, and I told her that I have to catch my next flight, and she was all okay. She told me that, you can go first. So people are very helpful. You just need to tell them in case if you are getting late. Okay, now you must be wondering that when did I book the ticket, how much it costed us. So we booked our ticket 4 months back, and we paid around 700 euros for it. One thing which I would like to suggest, that if you are visiting India, it is a very tiring journey. So plan a longer trip. Like, we are here just for 2 weeks and our schedule is completely packed. We don't even have time to breathe. We are going on vacation, but it is going to be very tiring. So we're just crossing our finger that everything should go smooth and we should be able to get back to Luxembourg fit and fine and happy. Now, so I got a lot of gift items for my family, and I can let you know as well that what all things you can carry and how you can carry. So I got some makeup items which contains liquid as well. I got some skincare item. I also got homemade laddu which I made by myself. I also got some electronic items like solar light, and they had battery as well. I kept it in check-in baggage, and also I carried some in my carry-on baggage. Both were allowed because the battery it contains is not that powerful. In case if you are carrying power bank, then please do not keep it in your check-in baggage because it will not be allowed. You need to keep it in your carry-on baggage. I also got AirPods which were not allowed in our check-in baggage. We had to keep it in our carry-on baggage. In case if you want to carry some cash with you to India, in that case you can only carry 10,000 euros. If you are carrying more than that, you need to declare it first. So this was all items I got. Everything was allowed from here as well. So my luggage is here. Now I'm going to collect it and I see you guys at home.